Mistplay suspends accounts when its system detects rule violations like VPN use, fake activity patterns, or attempts to manipulate gameplay tracking. By the end, you'll know why Mistplay accounts get suspended, how the appeal process works, and what actually helps you get reinstated. Start with the key point. A suspended Mistplay account usually means the system flagged your activity as non-compliant with its terms. Now explain what that means. Mistplay uses automated detection to monitor gameplay behavior and account integrity. If something looks unusual, the account can be restricted or suspended. Now, explain the most common causes. One common trigger is using VPNs or location masking tools. These can conflict with how Mistplay verifies gameplay sessions. Now explain another cause. Playing games outside the Mistplay app while trying to earn units can also trigger suspension. Mistplay expects gameplay to be launched through its platform. Now, explain another cause. Rapid switching between devices or accounts can also look suspicious to the system. Now move to what happens after suspension. When an account is suspended, users usually lose access to earning units and may be logged out of reward tracking. Now, explain appeal process. Mistplay provides an appeal option through its support system. You need to submit a request explaining your situation clearly and honestly. Now explain what matters in appeals. The most important factor is whether your account activity can be verified as legitimate. If the system sees consistent, normal gameplay behavior, reinstatement is more likely. Now explain what does not help. Creating a new account to bypass a suspension usually violates platform rules and can lead to additional restrictions. Now, explain prevention. Avoid VPNs, stick to supported games, and always launch games directly through Mistplay. Now explain timing expectations. Appeals are not instant, and response time depends on support queue volume. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay account suspension is usually triggered by rule violations or suspicious activity detected by the system. Appeals focus on verifying that your gameplay was legitimate and compliant. And the best long-term fix is avoiding behaviors that trigger the system in the first place. One practical next step. Open Mistplay support and submit a clear appeal explaining your account activity without adding unnecessary details. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides that explain what actually causes these issues and how to fix them.